As environmental sustainability proves to be an increasingly important conversation, we decided to examine the sustainability practices of the community closest to us, Western University. However, we were disappointed when we realized that there is a lack of transparency that accompanies many of Western's sustainability initiatives. We began hopeful as Western received over $11 million last year to help with sustainability initiatives on campus. We were excited to see what changes had been made. We were first disappointed when we went to Western's sustainability website, where we assumed most information on environmental policies would be, and we found that the event on the front page happened nearly 2 months ago. Under current initiatives, Western listed a sustainability plan for 2022 that they were working towards. It seemed promising, however, by clicking on it, it led us to a 404 page not found error. The most recent sustainability plan that we could find was from October 2014, which is over 5 years ago. In the academic program section, the list of classes that cover sustainability topics has also not been updated since September of 2014. Our disappointment continued when we went to visit the bike shop.
The Purple Bikes program at Western, where anyone and everyone could access affordable DIY bike repairs, bike rentals, advice, and training ran by the University Student Council. The program, however, was discontinued in 2018. However, posters for events still take space on UCC walls, and the program is still listed on Western's sustainability front page as a step students can take to lessen their ecological footprint.
On the sustainability website, Western also promotes that it has LEED certified buildings. LEED is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. Of the 9 residents on campus, only Delaware and Ontario Hall are certified under LEED. That means that under 25% of some of the biggest energy consumers on campus are actually certified. We also question the certification of other buildings.
The so-called new Western Engineering Building was granted LEED certification in April of 2016, 2 full years before ground was broken on the Chakma Building.
Western also promotes the availability of fair trade products on campus. However, there is very few Einsteins and independent coffee shops where these products are available in comparison to the many Starbucks and Tim Hortons that are not held to the same standards.
Most of the news relating to Western sustainability practices is about the massive power plant on campus that's responsible for heating and cooling Western's buildings. It recently received a grant of over $11 million to help move away from using natural gas as a primary source for producing the steam that heats the buildings. However, this has not happened yet. During the winter, the power plant produces 400,000 pounds of steam every hour. To do this, the power plant would need to consume roughly 13,800 cubic meters of natural gas per hour.
We hope that social media would hold more information about Western sustainability practices over the past year. However, Twitter was filled with mostly retweets from other people. Instagram also held little content other than pictures of the farmers market and the dog, who is cute and all, but tells us little about what Western has been doing with its $11 million over the past 12 months. Disappointed by the lack of information that we found, we took to the streets of campus ourselves to see what we could find. Unfortunately, we were immediately confronted by the sale of single-use plastics. This has been an ongoing controversial practice in the media lately that Western continues to partake in. We also noticed that all the bathrooms on campus have single-use paper towels that immediately go into landfill. We appreciated the UCC's attempt to have a more sustainable way to dispose of food waste. However, a more thorough walk around campus revealed many other spots where waste was the only option. Despite our extensive research efforts, we're still not exactly sure what Western has done in the past 12 months to help with sustainability initiatives on campus. We really hope that there's something that we're missing, but what we do know is that Western students are not informed about what the university is doing to protect our future, and we want to know. We want to be included and be able to have a discussion and provide feedback on these policies and practices that affect us all so greatly.